So as you guys can see, the height is above me, guys. I like this holding thing which is there. I like the hook. I don't know what I will hang there, but certainly I will try to hang something there. What's up guys, my name is Ryson and welcome back to my channel. And guys, today we will do unboxing of this tripod stand. Now my tripod stand got spoiled. I'm still using it, but it was time for upgrade, guys. So I invested in this Digitek tripod. Let's do the unboxing. Let's see what is inside. Let's see how sturdy it is. Let's check out the quality of this stand, guys. Everything I will show you in this video, because if you guys want to buy a tripod stand like this, then you can also go ahead for it. I will try to put a link of everything which I show you in this video in the description or on the screen. Go there, check it out by yourself, check the reviews, and then only do the purchase. It is going to be a very interesting video, guys, so see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. Welcome back, guys. Before I do anything, let me take out the address part of this. Okay, here we have the tripod stand. So what I feel is you guys should come closer and let's do the unboxing together. So come close. So guys, here is the box, and on the box it is written maximum load that it can handle is 5 kg. The max height of this stand is 5.57 feet. This is the folded height. Max tube diameter 26.5 centimeters. The weight of this stand is 1.2 kgs, guys. That's it. And it has 3 sections. Now let's have a look at the features, guys. It has this 3-way head with adjustable pen. It also has rubber legs, and there is a hook also on the stand, guys. Then it has 360-degree hand grip. It also has a multipurpose smartphone attachment, and it also has a vertical and a horizontal chute, guys. So let's quickly open the box and take the stand out, guys. As I took the stand out, it came in a plastic like this. As you guys can see, there is a plastic on top of the bag. Now let's see inside the box, guys, if there is anything else which is come with it, but nothing else is there inside of the box. And I will take the plastic off, and inside the plastic is the tripod stand bag. Then I will unzip the bag, and inside the bag there is the tripod stand which is inside the plastic. Now inside the bag we found the smartphone attachment. As you guys can see, let me quickly open it and see how it looks like inside. So this is the smartphone attachment which I can connect to the tripod. You can pull it and make it big, as you guys can see, and put your cell phone inside. The next thing which is there inside of the bag is this silicone gel. So let me keep the bag on the side, and let's take the plastic off the tripod stand. And here is my tripod stand. And one more thing I noticed on this stand is this handle, which I liked already. Sometimes these things are very handy when you are in a shoot, because you never know when you can use them. Now the top plate, guys, you can take the top plate out by pulling this knob like this. Just pull the knob and slide the plate out like this. It also has this level checker where you can check if the stand is on the flat surface or no. Okay guys, so here's the stand. First thing that I will check on this stand is the height of this stand, guys. I want to see if it reaches my eye level. Now I really like this handle, guys. You can easily hold the stand like this and carry it wherever you want. And you can also hang some things on it, guys, because it has those holes in the middle. Now let me quickly open the legs of the stand, and let's check out the height of this stand, guys. Now to slide the legs out, you just have to open this clip like this and slide the legs out. Once you slide the legs out, you will have to lock the clips back again. Let's do that for all 3 legs. Now sliding the legs out was a very nice experience, guys. It shows the quality of the stand. Now as you guys can see, there is a hook here where you can hang anything, but it's like a plastic hook, so you can't hang anything heavy on it. So let me go slightly close to the wall and take the neck out of the stand, and let me check the height. So as you guys can see, the height is above me, guys. Now I am 5.9 inches and it goes above me, so it is more than that. So I like it, guys. I like it. Now I have not opened up the stand properly, but even if I open the stand properly, now it is properly opened. It is nice and sturdy, guys, nice and sturdy, and it is still almost my height. So now I can keep the camera on my eye level, guys. My other stand was slightly low, so I could not keep it that high, but this one has good height and I am happy with it. It's a Digitek brand tripod, very stable. The quality is very good, guys. Very good quality. I like this holding thing which is there, which I can hold and carry it anywhere. I like the hook I don't know what I will hang there, but certainly I will try to hang something there. It also came with this mobile holder. So I just have to loosen this and it goes inside the mobile holder. I just have to connect it this way, tighten it. There is a key here. As you guys can see, you can tighten it here. Once you tighten it, you just have to put it inside. And now I can easily put my phone right here, as you guys can see. And it became a phone stand. Very stable for a phone stand, guys. Very stable. I have bought this for my DSLR. I have not bought this for my mobile, because my mobile, it doesn't need such a huge and so sturdy stand. It's a small phone, but this one is definitely good for the DSLR cameras. Really worth the price. It has nice rubber grips as well, which I just noticed. I'll show you guys. You can just keep it like this and it will come down so nicely. As you guys can see how nicely it is sliding. Just have a look at the rubber grips. It has this nice grips. I like them. There's this nice hook where you can hang something. It has this nice handle where you can hold it and take it wherever you want. Then this knob is to adjust the height. Just loosen it, adjust the height, and then tighten it. This is a handy knob where you can make the camera look up or down. You just have to loosen it like this, make it up and down, and tighten it back again, and it will stay there. This adjustment is to make the camera look up or down. Then this one is what I was looking for. When you loosen this, you guys can see, you can tilt the camera like this, and now you can shoot horizontal videos with your DSLR camera. It is nice and sturdy, so you don't have to worry much. It will hold the DSLR well. On my other stand, this was not very smooth, but on this stand it is very smooth, and I can easily put it back like this and then tighten this knob so that it will stay sturdy and locked. Now when you loosen this, you can even adjust the height with this lever here, this rotating thing. You can even use this if you like, but I feel it is easier to just pull it and let it go and then tighten it. It has this leveler where you can see the level. It is Digitek 550LW. This is the name of the tripod stand. This one is the lock for rotating, and then if you tighten this, it will no longer rotate. It will stop rotating. So there you have it, guys. There you have it. My final verdict with this tripod stand is I'm going to keep it. I like it. It is nice and stable, feels durable. It has nice adjustments. It has all the adjustments that I needed. So I'm going to keep this stand, guys, and I'm going to use it from now on. If you guys already have this tripod stand, then see that you comment below and let us know, guys. Do share your opinion about it. Do let us know if you liked it. Now let me make it very clear here, guys. This is not a paid review. I have actually bought this product. It has cost me around 1300 rupees. Whatever I have shown you in this video, I will try to put a link of all those products in the description or on the screen here. You can definitely go there and check them out by yourself, guys. So guys, I'm hoping that you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share it with your friends and family. And if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out. Until we meet again.